Hi, I'm Mark Barjatia. I work for Galaxy Freight Private Limited as business analyst. This company is into freight forwarding, custom clearance, warehousing, transportation, and packaging. When we were evaluating various platforms, CRM platforms such as Salesforce, Eve 24 Hours, Travelize, and SAP, and many more, the problem was pricing, and secondly, they were really complicated, and it was very hard to train users to use those platforms. Begin by Zoho CRM platform was suggested to me by my boss based on some recommendation he received from his friends and counterparts. After that, I started going through the online videos and read about it, and when I understood the platform's features and functionality, I was sure that it is going to meet our company's needs. The first thing I did was to bulk upload a lot of information in it, and then try to see to it if I can mass mail to those contacts, and that why I was able to do it. And later, after understanding how it could be created into a deal and then assigned to a particular salesperson, and at the same time monitor it. So these were the three things which I kept in mind, and then I chose to select Begin by Zoho CRM. So there's a really good feature in Begin that allows you to create forms, which we can later on link it to a QR code, which we keep it at the events. And anyone who comes to our booth can scan that QR code and fill all the details of the form. That information directly gets captured by Begin, and we are able to save a lot of time and hassle.
So I've been trained on Salesforce. That was very, it was very dependent on other people. We have to for Salesforce, we have to have department approvals. There are many things like that. Here, there is a very little, everything is on you. What you feed is what you get. So that is what I liked about Zoho. Begin was very helpful for us to cover the exhibition because it has a scanner thing, an application where you just have to scan the cards and the data automatically records, and we have to just send an email directly to the customer. So no need to do manual entries and things.
Begin is currently being used by different branches, and each branch needs to make sure that the other branch should not be able to see its data. And same way, our seniors don't want juniors to be able to see the data. So Begin has this rules and permission that allows us to control who sees each other's data.
I use Begin mobile app very often because updating, carrying laptop, recording notes is far difficult for us to, when we have a meeting with the customers and, I'm writing it down. It is very easier for us to use the mobile app because with the handle phone, you don't have to carry laptop all the way, and it has all the function what the laptop has. So it is very user friendly.
So there's a unique feature of stage transition that we use. What we do is whenever we want to move a deal from one stage to another stage, we want to ensure that the required information and required documents are collected before it is moved to another stage. So this kind of control or this kind of transition rule allows us to make sure that we follow the SOP and it doesn't get bypassed. On our website, we maintain an email ID that was generated through emailing feature of Begin that allows us to control what kind of emails are entering into Begin. We used to maintain those Excel sheets where it was very hard to analyze how many leads were generated, who generated them, whether they have been actioned or not, how many have been converted to a customer. But after using Begin's dashboard, we are able to get all kind of insights, and that has literally helped us to increase our productivity and to help even in generating revenue growth, which might be approximate 30%. So I hope that we utilize the platform even furthermore.